Hello guys, welcome to another video. Today we're playing with Dog Day. He's baby version, and all that, anyway, let's get all the way back to the game. All the way. Alright, let's go to your house. Smiley, S M I. No, that's not I L. Word. E. Okay, what the? Fighting riddles! Bring out your weapons! Pretzel. Guys, you like my brand new look? I have the pretzel back on. Officially, the pretzel back on. So, you gotta come to, I don't even know where we're going.
Are you going to the second mansion?
I think so, I don't know. We are going, airplane, we're flying, and we're flying.
Don't pause.
I've heard this song everywhere.
Don't pause. Press play.
Of pretzel all, I don't want to eat that one. It's wrong. The rest of it. It's just a mold. It's not a real pretzel. I recommend eating the phone or your TV or your home. It's all the pretzel and they're just so healthy. Well, this ain't a mansion. I'd like to get a refund where I am. I'd like to get a refund. I'd like to get a refund. That is not a mansion. I can't tolerate that. Man, I can't stand being here. Yes, yes. Go ahead, Blair. Yeah. Person game. Now you have room. Yay! Yibba-dibba-dibba-dibba-dabba. I got that. I'll brain freeze. Oh. Controller, give me controller. On what? Okay. Well, anyways, you're gonna make my brand new spike. What are you doing here? In a limousine in the house? Colin, what did you do? Catnap! Catnap, get out of here! What do you think you're doing? Colin, what are you doing? What are you doing with that limousine? Now what are they doing? Are they trying to get in there too? Why? Why would you do this, Goofy? My Sophie? Who is even driving? Okay, what the? Kyler, what are you doing? How? How did you do that? You can't do this about Big Bag.
Oh my God! But you don't have the limo.
You can't do it about Big Bag. You're fixing higher limits. You have to be like 16 years old now to probably be driving. There. Whose limousine? Whose limousine is that? Color.
Who else has the limo?
I don't know. Everyone's bringing their limousines in here. Hello, does anyone have a brain anymore? Does anyone have a brain? Does anyone have a brain here? There ain't no stinking way. It's literally stuck. Alright, get yours in. Get it all over with. Big Bad, you okay? We'll get you out of this mess. Oh, Big Bad, Big Bad. Big Bad, Big Bad. Well, Big Bad, you're going to be stuck there. Pee-wee. Catnap, seriously? Oh. Catnap. Who started this stinking mess? Big Bag. Lock the door. Better not be another museum thing. Colin, who started this?
Me.
You telling me you started this? Oh! Guys, what the Mickey McFlurry? Big Bag! Big Bag!
I made an arm.
Yeah, my bag is loaded up with snacks and different foods. Come on, we gotta get out of here.
They deleted their house.
Oh, thank God I got you out of there.
It's okay. They got the house back on her.
All right. Don't put a limousine in it.
The limo back in.
Oh, Lord. Guys, I'm probably just gonna get mad. Here. One. Oh, look at my favorite song. Open the door.
They locked the door.
Oh! Yeah, we're probably gonna end the video here. Bye, guys. Bye.